this is the right place to get yours. So this place is a mass production of several types of aluminum foil balloons. Right in this basket, we can see balloons that have logos like signs like this on it. It's a boy. And we have others with signs like this on it. It's a girl. And then we have several types on like your anniversary dates or your naming ceremonies or birthday parties. You can have all types, and you can actually customize what you want to be written on your specific balloons. We can see them right over here. They have different types. Let's say a happy Valentine's Day, and there are types of them. If you want to show your love to your other ones too, you can buy I love you ones to them too. And there we have. So this is the storage place for all these balloons, and there are almost up to 20 million different types of balloons in this factory. So if you want yours, you know where to go to. Green is right at the corner in October, and these aluminum foil balloons are all made ready for any activities, any ceremony for you, whether it's your wedding, whether it's your engagement, whether it's your naming ceremony, or any anniversary, any ceremony, any party you want to. This factory can produce it all.
You just call me Chang.
Mr. Chan.
Mr. Chang, yes,
Oh,
it's okay. Before I have an English name, but it's a long time no use.
Okay.
Before I use my English name is Kobe, because I like basketball so much.
So you like Kobe Bryant?
Yes, but when he died, so I don't use again.
Okay, sorry. The name is there between. That's not good to say. It's not good to say. All right, so it's a pleasure to visit your factory. Thank you so much.
Nice to see you.
Yeah. So how many years have you been running this aluminum, foil balloon company?
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years?
Yes.
Okay.
I've been Yiwu is now from I come to Yiwu from now is 16 years.
16 years?
16.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So 16 years living in Yiwu.
Yes.
10 years starting your aluminum foil balloons.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So within this 10 years of this factory manufacturing, which countries do you usually sell to?
Pardon?
Like
Sorry.
which countries mostly buy your products?
European. Yes, and South American.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
A lot of them.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to know a little bit more about your products. Like, what are the main, things people need to buy your products for, and what are the services you can provide to them?
From now, everybody or maybe in the family, so the baby also have some happy days,
Yes.
maybe use the balloon.
Yes.
So I think the balloon will be the market is very good.
Yeah.
So I think so maybe I do the balloon business, maybe it's good. So I choose this material, this
balloon
for my
production.
business. Yes.
Yeah, I can see it. And I went through your warehouse and I saw so many amazing balloons. Like we have several cultures and some festivals in European countries and other countries, and like the Halloween types. We have even naming ceremonies, weddings, Valentine's Day, and all this stuff. And these are pretty much big festivals in foreign countries.
Yes.
Yeah. So have you been to any other foreign country before?
When I study in the school,
Okay.
so when the Merry Christmas or Happy New Year, the festival coming.
Yeah.
So in the school, so many the students will be buy the balloon from the internet.
Yeah, for decoration.
And the decoration in the classroom.
Yeah.
So in that time, I was 6. Maybe balloon is a good business.
That's smart.
In fact, when I do the business, the holiday day and the Merry Christmas days, so the balloon is huge needed for the people.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. It is a great pleasure for me to visit your factory today. And today I would like to, go through how the process of the balloons are made so that the customers and other people can also see and know what they are buying and how it is manufactured right here in Yiwu in China in Mr. Chen's factory. So that is all for you guys. We will be visiting the factory right now and we're going to show you more. Thank you so much, Mr. Chen.
Yes, I would like to take you go and visit my factory.
Yeah, definitely. Let's do that.
8到10个，然后可能8到10个中间，有可能1个2个卖得好，然后就挣钱；有可能1到2个都没有，10个都废了，都不挣钱。你就必须要不停的开。为什么要开新品？开新品就是你这个品同行都有，你也有，然后价格就很低嘛，就卖不起价格。
竞争力。
竞争力，对。这个产品其实不像那种芯片啊、高科技啊，门槛有点低。人家都能做，你模具开好，板做好，他就可以模仿你。
对。同行都是模仿过去，模仿得太快了。
模仿太快。对。你模具开出来，你在市场上开始卖，除非你去注册版权。你注册版权你就专利，你就可以单独卖。如果你是做同款，市场上你也有，我也有，大家都有的话，那就活不了几个月。对，大概就是你出来可能是1个月之前你能挣钱，但是第2个月你就挣不到钱了，马上就有人模仿一模一样。
准价格了。对。
尺寸上面比我的做小一点点，然后材料上面比我用的薄一点点，价格就比我便宜1毛2毛。
So this is the showroom for the full balloon factory we visited today. And in the showroom, they have different balloons customized in so many languages. We have Spanish, we have English, we have, French, Russian, all languages you want your forward balloon to be, made or customized into. And right here we can see them too. They have cartoons of different types for birthdays, anniversaries, and we can still go on to look at how beautiful this production is made for any ceremony or occasions you have, even for the year that the kids are born, or the year of which your anniversary is, or which year you're having those party. You can definitely customize them in all those ways. This is a very awesome and a very beautiful production, and very innovational thinking to come up with such a brilliant idea of making full balloons into such an amazing decoration, to get the anniversary or whatever you're going to use it for, to make it more flourish, beautiful and interesting. So we would just take a quick brush into all this showroom so you can all see all types of balloons we have here. so you can also go and place your order in this factory, or you can just subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question you can just contact me on it. Thank you, everybody.